All right, what up? Good morning. Thursday morning. Just finishing up the last of my charting. Already got NQ and ES done, and now I'm just looking to the proper adjustments here for RTY. Do kind of like this little support zone right here below pre-market lows. I'm gonna draw that in. Well, market's just about to open. Come on now. Alrighty. Things all charted out. Yesterday we were bullish. Let's see what we get. ES is already pushing higher here. Maybe. It looked like it wanted to. Now it's pulling back. I wonder. Buddy, what are you doing? My cat's. There you are. Get some music thrown on. Get some headphones on. Yeah, NQ and ES both look primed to the upside. Yes, the most so. I'm not sure why it's not showing any of my. Oh, I bet I know. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? AS is cranking. NQ not so hot. RTY. RTY is crazy. Already swept pre-market low and headed right back up to pre-market high. RTY is ridiculous. Not sure if I'm feeling that one. I'll pull up, see what news we have today, if any. That's the release. Radar is questionable. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. It says Freddie Gibbs on it though. Sounds like it have potential. I'm not really feeling the rap though. I'm trying to listen to something maybe a little bit more chill. ES tried that pre-market high, and it is pulled all the way back down. Not looking so hot, just lost the EMA there. Retesting previous day high. 5-minute close is going to happen in about a minute. So on both the 5 and the 15, that's looking pretty ugly. NQ's getting down towards pre-market low. It's weak. It rejected off previous day high zone, right? Area, tried it, rejected, just as we saw here and here. Wonder if we get a little bit of chop today. RTY is crazy. All right, Thursday, what do we got? 10 a.m. pending home sales. That's it, really. That's it. So that's not bad. Not a lot of volatility coming through news today, apparently. ES is wicked. Looked good for a second. Now it's not so hot. RTY, on the other hand, is stronger than both NQ and ES. So we watch RTY potentially. It's still within the previous day zone, previous day range. Yeah, it's cranking. NQ holding that pre-market low so far. ES trying to hold previous day high zone.
I'll be the sad one. If that's what you need.
There's RTY hitting previous day high. NQ going back down to that pre-market low. ES still trying to hold on that previous day high. NQ's the weakest of the three. RTY the strongest, ES is in the middle. RTY is absolutely boosting. And we'll look for something in there potentially if we can. ES is definitely not presenting an opportunity. NQ might if it breaks lower. NQ certainly presents opportunities if it breaks lower. You can consider this little pullback maybe a support. 68, somewhere in there, 70. You got it up here. Oh, decent 24, 25 point move. But I would look to target maybe this larger little pullback zone here. Like a 50 point move or 40 something points. Be nice. Trying to do it. RTY is doing the exact opposite. RTY is really strong. I think that might be new all-time high, if I'm not mistaken. This is the wrong time frame to check that. Let's pull up the 15. I believe that's new all-time high on RTY. Nope, never mind. I'm tripping. I'm crazy. My bad. My bad. Should have done my due diligence there. Didn't do it. So we do have that resistance above us there, 507. If we did get some sort of pullback though, I would love to try to ride that up to 507. You still holding on to Primo Aguilera? I'm definitely watching this right here. If I can't find an entry if it wants to do this for me. Even if I took it to high a day, it's a nice 6-point move or so. Risk would be like down there, 2 points. We'll see. That's like best case scenario, right? So we'll see. But we could do it here if it just gives me a little Filosi. Little Philadelphia special. Give me that. There we go. Alright. We are in ski. Let's hope it holds here. I might give myself just a little bit below that 48 EMA. RTY is a wild one. And I will look for take profit at high day. I'll pull back deeper, isn't it? Well, we'll see what it wants to do here. Is it going to be another day where it reverses and I get caught trying to ride continuation? It's starting to look that way. Got real close to my stop loss there. I expect to get stopped out here. That's a disgusting 5-minute candle sequence there. Keep the losses small, but we'll watch and see if it decides to hold here. It might just have been a bigger pullback, but that 15 minutes looking pretty disgusting. NQ's fully weak. Let's see. If RTY wants to do us anything here. Might not. That's a bummer. Silly me trying to trade in Q, or excuse me, RTY. RTY pretty much, maybe I just delete it off my charts, honestly. For what good it's worth, it's not worth much. Thing kind of just screws me more often than not.
Not really my kind of crowd. I don't quite understand how they got it all figured out. I might go away for the weekend. Ooh, how does that sound? Just you and me, oh, we're leaving. No stop, straight out of town. I'm not quite sure what I did before you came along. My days were filled with not much. Ooh, I had it wrong. Spent my time on the outside, then you pulled me in. Made me feel as though this is where I'd always be. 'Cause you're always there, even when I talk too much. And you know, when I'm running scared, I can't seem to find the words to say.
5 minutes about to close in 15 minutes as well.
Used to fight in love, guy.
And Q looks the best. If we can get an entry short here. And I'd like to take it down to this zone, ideally.
Been out here holding on to something for so long.
I am legitimately debating removing RTY from my charts. Like, it just does not work. I can't get any good trades on it for some reason. Thing pisses me off, honestly.
To breathe, neon lights imitates the day. Psilocybin bed on something so strange. Can you melt purple rain on my dome? I can't decide if I'm having in the phone. Street signs floating through outer space. Am I on a boat or chilling at my place? Yeah. Gone, 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 gone blind. Staring at the sun. Staring at the sun.
What does it happen? Why does it do that? Alright, we'll watch for our NQ short. See if we can't redeem ourselves a little bit here. If I could get insured around pre-market low and ride that to low a day, that's a very, very nice move. We'll take that all day long. See if we can't capture a little piece of it. Alright. Sell it up here if it breaks that high. And then I guess I should set just in case. I got caught by a reversal. Just spiked higher. Hopefully it doesn't continue higher. But it looks like it might.
Gonna fall off of this earth, 'cause I'm living low.
Yeah, it looks like it might get stopped out here.
I fear that I've wasted all the wisdom that I know. And I dream of a place
That doesn't look good. Stopped out. Oh, wait. No. That was more than I wanted. Alright, we're officially done for the day. Unless we get a re-entry, I'll re-enter, but I had just messed up. I accidentally just added in my position there. Luckily I caught it fast. Maybe it wasn't a bad idea if it does reject, but... I'd try one more if it fails. We'll see. NQ or ES was rejecting nice. Why can't NQ do that for me?
Life's a journey, not a destination. I get caught up in temptation. Middle of the night, get intoxicated. Wake up in the morning and I still wasted. Do my best, I don't try at all. Second guess, yeah, I know I fall. Meaning's less, but not most of all. Less impressed when you miss my call. The good life's on the phone. Says it's alone, Mr. Good Life, what you want. 'Cause lately all my energy's tied up in the decision of making my mind up, and I don't really know what the
We lose it here, I'll re-enter. Oh my. Okay. If I can get in. If I can get in.
I'll see you so, no need to read between the lines. You call it hope, don't know one day you will find. Yeah, I messed up, but now I know I'm feeling right.
Let's see.
Think that I'm just wasting my time. But life's a journey, not a destination. I get caught up in temptation. Middle of the night, get intoxicated. Wake up in the morning and I still wasted. Do my best, I don't try at all. Second guess, yeah, I know I fall. Meaning's less, but not most of
Oh man, we'll see.
when you miss my call. The good life's on the phone. See it's alone. This is good life, what you want. 'Cause lately all my energy's tied up in the decision of making my mind up, and I
Alright, we'll try it.
don't know what the fuck's going on. Yes, alone.
I need to make sure I'm doing a buy stop, not a sell. I want to take this down to like 50. See if we can't do that. Where's the, yeah, we'll do that. So far it's looking decent here. So far it's looking real solid. And then I'll just leave one if I can. Hopefully we get filled here. To the downside, not the upside. So far, so good on this. Just need to break low a day. We'll see if we get that flush. It's looking decent though. RTY is kind of holding hitting support though. ES I think was doing similar. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. Oh, here goes further.